Take a ride in the 2017 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.